Experiencing a camera unavailable message or a black screen when you shift into reverse in your Tesla Model 3. You're not alone. This is a fairly common problem, especially in Model 3s manufactured before 2022. This video will guide you through troubleshooting and potential fixes. We'll cover both software and hardware-related solutions to get your reverse camera working again. First, try a soft reset of your Tesla Model 3. Put the car in park, then hold down both scroll buttons on the steering wheel simultaneously until the touchscreen goes completely black and the Tesla logo appears. This usually takes about 30 seconds and can resolve temporary software glitches affecting the reverse camera. Next, check for available over-the-air software updates. Navigate to the Settings menu on your touchscreen, then select Software to see if any updates are pending. Tesla frequently releases updates that fix software bugs causing reverse camera issues. If updates are available, install them immediately, as they often resolve the problem without needing service. These initial troubleshooting steps resolve the reverse camera issue for many Tesla Model 3 owners by addressing common software problems. If the issue persists after trying these steps, you may need to consider hardware inspection or contacting Tesla service. If basic resets and software updates don't resolve the reverse camera issue, try camera recalibration. This uses Tesla's automated diagnostic tools from recent over-the-air updates. Recent updates, like V12.5, include automated diagnostics that detect camera errors and show a pop-up on the screen. The tool guides you through recalibration steps. The recalibration process involves tapping Start Recalibration on the pop-up, following on-screen instructions to adjust camera angle, driving slowly in reverse while the system calibrates, and receiving a confirmation message when complete. As an alternative, perform a camera reset by power cycling the vehicle. Turn the car completely off, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This clears temporary glitches that may be causing the camera issue. If recalibration or reset doesn't work, contact Tesla service for hardware inspection. If software fixes fail, the problem might be hardware-related. Start by checking the rear camera lens for dirt, debris, or scratches that could block the view. Next, inspect the area around the camera for signs of water damage or corrosion. Particularly important if you live in areas with harsh winters where road salt can cause corrosion. If you find significant damage like cracks or extensive corrosion, this will require professional repair at a Tesla service center to ensure safety and warranty compliance. If you suspect a hardware issue or the software solutions haven't worked, it's time to contact Tesla service. Schedule an appointment through the Tesla app. Technicians have specialized tools to diagnose and repair camera problems, including replacing faulty cameras or fixing wiring issues. Note that components are typically under warranty for 8 years or 150,000 miles post-manufacture. Tesla's reverse camera uses high-resolution cameras as part of its autopilot vision system. Software glitches like display driver errors or conflicts with third-party apps can cause malfunctions. Hardware problems include water ingress, corrosion, or camera misalignment. Knowing the difference helps pinpoint the right solution. Tesla is increasingly relying on software to self-diagnose and resolve camera issues. Future Model 3 versions are expected to incorporate redundant systems like ultrasonic sensors and LiDAR to minimize camera failure impact. Keep your software updated and protect the camera from physical damage to prevent future issues. Many Tesla Model 3 owners have shared experiences where over-the-air software updates successfully resolved reverse camera recalibration issues following minor accidents. These updates can automatically adjust the camera's alignment without requiring a service visit. However, environmental factors such as extreme weather conditions can still lead to hardware failures, including water ingress or corrosion that affects the camera module's functionality. When issues persist, expect Tesla service centers to conduct comprehensive diagnostics using proprietary tools. They may need to replace the entire camera module if hardware damage is confirmed, though this is covered under extended warranties for qualifying vehicles. Looking ahead, Tesla continues to enhance their systems through ongoing improvements. Future software updates are likely to automatically address existing camera issues, reducing the need for manual interventions and improving overall reliability. In summary, while software solutions have proven effective for many, hardware issues may require professional attention. Stay informed about Tesla's updates and contact service when needed to ensure reliable reverse camera performance in your Model 3.